To create a request for maintenance ticket, log in to the Resident Member Portal and scroll down to the Create Request for Maintenance section. Click the Create Request button to open the request form window. Use the drop-down menus to fill in the category and suite location information. Enter the subject, description of request, and request type in the following fields. Make the description as detailed as possible to help the maintenance staff understand the issue. Add photos to the request if they will help explain the issue. To add photos, click in the photo field at the bottom of the form and follow the prompts to upload from your device. When you are satisfied the form has all the information needed, click the Next button and then select the checkbox to authorize maintenance to enter your suite. Please note that if the consent box is not checked at this time, you will be emailed a Notice to Enter request. Click the Create button to initiate the request. Note the green flag that appears in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, indicating Ticket Successfully Created. Active maintenance requests can be viewed by clicking the View Requests button in the Requests for Maintenance section. There is also an option to cancel the request for maintenance here if you no longer require the service call or if the request was created in error. Use the links below to view additional features available in the Boardwalk Resident Member Portal, powered by Yuhu.